Hey Flame,
What's up with it, homie?
a wise man once told me that you're only as strong as your team.
Man.
Oh my Lord, that's my dog, over there bleeding, he been shot. Leave my dirty while he down, forsake my dog, I think not. Before I do that, I'd rather lay down, die here with my dirty first. That's something that I learned in the hood, I ain't even learned that day in church. See my homie, take a slug, lay his life down for his block. Tired of seeing his homies die, so we stood and took their spot. And he wouldn't say, that's why how we treat each other, I'm appalled. We sit back and straight applaud, laughing at each other fall. They say it's beef, this not beef, I had beef and lost my dogs. Man, I'm feeling just like Paul, glad I ain't baptized none of y'all. We supposed to be one body but different members. Remember folks, point the members dirty, we are all sinners. They supposed to know we hate, but I love for one another. How you supposed to